Hey everybody, this is Keith Mills with On Time Construction Consulting. So we are out in our Dr. Phillips job. So trim guys were in today, flooring guys were in the previous 2 days. So as you can see, we've got the new LVP, so which is the luxury vinyl planks laid throughout. So awesome job by that team. So great product. So from our supplier there. So everything looks really good. One of the things that we do all the time, so it was one with a larger baseboard here. They used to have a 3.5 inch, and we went in this case with a 5.25. That way, that caulk joint at the top, whenever you remove the old baseboard, you don't have to worry about it because it gets buried beneath the baseboard. No one ever sees it. We also changed over the casing on these doors. So I went with a simple 1x4. So very nice look, very clean look. So everything looks awesome. So they have their own painters coming in to take care of painting this on Friday. The other thing we've got left, there are a few minor touch-up items and getting the plumbing connected in here in the bathroom. So stay tuned for final.